Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add audio sound in this car racing game. Okay friends, if you don't have audio sound for your game, then you can record from YouTube or you can download from Google. I just recorded audio sound from YouTube. Now I'm going to edit that sound for my game. Okay, so now after editing audio sound, go to events and now select this code and click on add a new event and drag this event here. Click on air condition and type here at the beginning of scene. Select at the beginning of scene, click on OK, air action, other actions, audio, and select play sounds and choose a sound here. Car race sound and repeat the sound. Yes, click on OK. Now scroll down and here you can see when opposite car is in collision with car, when accident will occur, then accident sound will play. Okay, click on air action, other actions, audio, and click on play a sound and choose a sound here, accident sound. And type here 100. Click on OK. Now let's preview it. Click on the preview button. Here you can see car sound is playing. And accident sound is also played. Okay, so friends, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.